name's Chris Taylor, and I'm in Greenville, North Carolina. I was having issues with, actually I had part of my floor was rotten from moisture and dampness issues. So I was went on the internet and looked up companies who did the foundation. I needed somebody to do the crawl space and get rid of the moisture issue. The systems improved the home by, like I said, there was a lot of water standing. All the insulation that was under there was very wet, dripping. So there was a lot of standing water under the house. And once they pulled all that stuff out and they put the system in and got it all dried in, me and my wife have both noticed we used to have a lot of sinus issues and headaches and stuff like that, and it could have been mold issues. And since the system has been put in place, that's really decreased a whole lot, and the fact that the floors do stay a whole lot warmer in the wintertime. They were very good. They had a person that come out and did a very detailed analysis of what was going on and wrote up a detailed estimate of what needed to be done, and he explained it all to me about some of the options and everything we did. We had them to remediate any mold, do some spraying for mold removal, and there was also like the insulation removal from the old molded insulation and all that. So I rate them very good because they were they stuck to whatever, what they gave me, and the timeline they gave me, everything was good. They matched and did it on time. We had some very cold days that were down, or some nights that were down like 0 to 10 or single digits, and I put a temperature and humidity sensor under the house, and I've been keeping a check on it, and temperature during that cold time under my house stayed 57 degrees during that time, and the humidity was very low, around 40%. So that was a tremendous help as far as keeping the house comfortable. So I would recommend Southeast Foundation.